how to hard reset with hardware keys on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, hold phone and open control center. Now here, so click on this power button. So after click on this power button, click on power off. So after power off, and just click and hold and power off. After power off, you will see, so insert cable. First pin is insert in computer and second pin is insert in phone. So after insert in phone pin, you will see charging icon is showing here, you will see. So if you want to hard reset with hardware keys, so just click on power button. So after click on power button, you will see, now here you will see showing you softwares and hardwares showing on your screen. So you will see after the process, after enter your hardware and enter your phone key, you will see your process is done. So that's how you can hard reset with hardware eyes on keys on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.